Hey there, welcome back to Paper Sketch Anime Channel with me, your beginner animated artist and host, Darsa. Yes, there's some good news and some bad news for this week. Well, the good news is, previously I said, I received laid-off news from my company about laying off staff for next year. Well, they planning to nominate me to be interviewed from another department. So hopefully I don't have to be laid off next year. Good news, right? I guess I can keep a job then. The bad news is I strained my back muscle this week and I can't even sit properly to draw for 2 days straight. Yeah, but now I'm fine. I'm fine now, so let's go ahead and review this week's drawing, shall we? On the 8th of September, I continued the drawing challenge by drawing a couple of head shapes from 3 different characters from a different angle. Here are the first 3 head shapes from the first character. There's 3 more head shapes from a second character again, from 3 different angles. And here's 3 more here from the third character. Plus, I skipped some of the facial features, like the eyes, and replaced them with a simple line. See right here as well. I finished the day with an extra simple body sketch. On the 9th of September, by following the next day challenge, I drew 3 bodies references in a neutral pose and good body proportions. See right here, and here. On the 10th of September, based on the previous day challenge, I sketched out the same bodies from references, but this time from memory. They are somewhat accurate, but not necessarily the same as the original reference. From 11th to 12th of September, I skipped the 2 days of drawing because I strained a back muscle earlier and can't really sit to draw properly. So on the 13th of September, after taking some painkillers for the pain, I finally continued where I left off. I started off with a simple full body sketch on the left right here. Then I resumed the drawing challenge by drawing 3 characters' heads and erased half of the facial features and redraw them again. Here, here, and here. Then afterwards I proceeded with the next challenge by swapping out 2 characters drawn from reference. I swapped out the eyes between characters. Here are the 2 characters with the eyes swapped out. They look strangely different with swapped eyes.